Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Hyundai Elantra SE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power side mirrors, keyless entry, lightly tinted glass, a perimeter alarm, and much more. 15-inch steel wheels, all-season tires, aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong four-cylinder with only 14,630 miles. Key fob trunk release, large wraparound brake lights, the shark fin antenna, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable premium cloth bucket seating, cruise, AC, power outlets, a large center console, outside temp, USB and auxiliary ports, a tilting steering wheel with convenience controls, and the easy-to-use entertainment system with a CD player, Sirius XM, and speed compensating volume. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.